MP Leishemba Sanajaoba ngasi National Sports University ki matangda Parliament da wafam kara pukhatkre kautrikta hojik paikaliba National Sports University construction amadi atei mari leinaba worksing leibak asigi sports person singi khanbiduna henna khumang sausinna paikhatuna athubada mathau taba yahanaba mahana Parliament da takshanki MP Leishemba Sanajaoba makha taraduna Manipur asi chana khonabada lawriba thaudang asibu khangbiduna central government na state asida world class standard ki National Sports University segat na wareb am lawki hairiba sports university asi leibak asigi oina ihan hanba oigadoribani haiki Prime Minister Narendra Modi na haugiba sahi 2017 da university asigi bil puthotuna kunja 2018 da parliament da adubu ek ama oina pass toki adubu kautrukta sports university asi sanabagi matik saba mafam phanglaba matungda hauji paikhaliba infrastructure construction amadi atei mari leinaba thabaksing yamna tamna paikhali sangat sagatpada thengthariba asigi maram kaya ama leramba yai adubu leibak asigi sanaroi singi khanbiduna university asi athubuda sangat piu haiki sangat piu amadi sangapam thoi haiba wafam thamkhibaga loinana athuba matangdasu university asi mathau pahanbinaba MP na mari leinaba union ministry ni puning chingjanki.
Sir, my 0 subject is demand to expedite the ongoing infrastructural works for National Sports University in Manipur. Sir, in recognition of Manipur's contribution in games and sport, the government of India has taken a historic decision for the establishment of a National Sports University at world-class standard in Manipur. Sir, this will be the first of its kind in the nation. For this, the people of Manipur are very grateful to our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji for introducing a bill for National Sports University in 2017 and then passed the bill as an act in 2018 in the Parliament. However, after getting adequate lands for construction at Kautruk, a village in Imphal West District, Manipur, the progress of infrastructural construction and other related works are very slow. Sir, there may be many reasons for this delay, but it should be expedited at any cost in the interest of our sportspersons across the nation. So, I humbly urge the Union Government and the concerned ministry to expedite the ongoing infrastructural work of National Sports University so that it may be fully functional at the earliest. Thank you, sir.